We all have dreams to get fit, start a business, save money, or find balance in life. But most of us set goals and never follow through. Why? Because we don't plan for real life, the distractions, fears, and habits that pull us back. In this video, we'll explore how to set goals that stick, how to actually achieve them. Goals aren't just about willpower, they're psychological. The brain loves rewards, but it also avoids discomfort. So, when a goal feels too big or vague, the mind procrastinates. The secret is to make goals simple, measurable, and emotionally meaningful. Every goal needs a reason behind it. Losing weight isn't just about numbers. Maybe it's about feeling confident again. Saving money isn't about the amount. It's about freedom. When your why is strong, motivation stays alive even when things get hard. Saying, I want to exercise more is too vague. Instead, say, I'll walk 30 minutes every morning at 7 a.m. in the park. Specific goals remove guesswork. They help your brain know exactly what to do and when to do it. Big goals can be intimidating. That's why we often quit early. Breaking your goal into smaller tasks, daily or weekly wins, builds momentum. Each small success gives your brain a shot of dopamine, keeping you motivated. Goals become real when they're visible. Write them down, use sticky notes, or track them digitally. When you see your progress, your brain registers achievement, and that visual cue keeps you going. Most people quit when things get tough because they didn't plan for setbacks. Expect challenges, bad days, low motivation, interruptions, and have a plan to restart. Progress isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. Tell someone about your goals, a friend, a mentor, or even a counselor. Accountability makes goals real. When others know, you're more likely to follow through. And when you slip, someone helps you get back up. Don't wait for the finish line to celebrate. Every small step matters. Each one is proof you're growing. Reward yourself for effort, not just results. That's how consistency is built. Sometimes goals evolve. You might need to slow down, change direction, or start fresh. And that's okay. Review your progress every few weeks, celebrate how far you've come, and adjust your next steps. The goal isn't perfection, progress. Setting goals is about becoming a better version of yourself, one small step at a time. Remember, every big success starts with a small beginning. You don't have to be perfect, just consistent.